Hi, my name's Hazem Gaber, and today we're going to show you some additional navigation tricks in Microsoft Excel that you may not know. So, number one, if you look at the ribbon, as I mentioned in the last video, takes up a significant portion of your screen. You can press this arrow here in the corner, and if you press the arrow, you can hide the ribbon completely. So let's just do that. We press the arrow and hide quick access toolbar. And now, if we press full screen mode, we got no ribbon. And if we press the three dots, the ribbon comes back, but only when we press it. So if we press it, it comes back. If we want the ribbon to stay completely, we choose always show ribbon. Now we've got the ribbon completely. And if we show tabs only, then all we see are tabs. Now if we want to access the content of any tab, we just click. So if we say insert, and we want to say let's insert a table, now it's inserted a table and it went right back to hiding. If we want to go back in there, we have to press insert again, and then we can choose a function, for example, and there we go. So if we want to go back to normal, we just choose one of the tabs, press our button again, and then choose always show ribbon. So that's number one. Number two, anytime we select a cell, there's two spots in Excel where we know that we've selected a specific cell. One of them is so for example, I've selected cell K8. So you'll see the K is highlighted by the K is highlighted and the number 8 is highlighted. So K8, for example. If I choose K8, it's now we've got K8 highlighted. If I go M8, now I've got M8 highlighted. We can move around with Excel using our mouse. Also use the arrows on our keyboard to go as far as we want. And we can also zoom in and out of the keyboard. If you hold down the control button and use your mouse scroll wheel, or if you have a laptop touchpad, we can zoom in and out of our spreadsheet. Number three is if we press the Alt button, you'll see on the ribbon all of the buttons now have letters next to them. So I can use Alt and then the letter to do a command. So for example, if I want to access pictures, I can choose Alt P, and no, that didn't work. So Alt says, okay, pictures is P. So now if I press the letter P, so Alt and then M shows us all of our functions, and then E, for example, it now says date and time. So now I can choose a date and time. Or if I want to press, say, insert function, I can press F. So now it opens up F. So I can basically use my whole Excel without the mouse, which can be very efficient if you want to keep both hands on the keyboard. So let's say I want to choose, I press Alt. So you'll notice the letters here, F takes us to File, H takes us to the Home tab, N takes us to the Insert tab, J takes us to the Draw tab, P takes us to the page layout tab. M takes us to the formulas tab, etc., etc. You'll notice the draw tab is JI. So if I choose I, it doesn't do anything. But if I choose J, it doesn't do anything. I have to choose JI the same time, and now I have the draw tab open. And then say if I want to choose a pen, say in the drawing tools here in G, then I press the letter G, and now I can use my keyboard to move between the different buttons in the drawing tools. So say I want to choose this red pen, I could scroll to the red pen, press enter, and now the red pen is selected, and now I can draw on the Excel screen with my red pen. If you have any questions about this, please leave a comment and we will answer it in the next video. Thank you.